Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to create a quick incident within PowerSchool. The first thing we want to do when creating a quick incident is to select one of the students that was involved in the incident. We'll start with Test 1 student. Once their profile loads, we're going to go to Behavior and then Incidents. Now that we've made our way to the Incidents page, we're going to look down to the bottom right where it says Create Incident. If it's grayed out for you, just like it is for me, that's not a problem. Just go to the right a bit and you'll see this down arrow. Click that, and then we'll click Create Quick Incident in this situation. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is create a title for our incident. In our district, we try to make the title match the behavior that the student exhibited. So in this situation, there was an a cappella battle, and we're going to describe it. And so a member of Too Hot to Handle and a member of Fermata Nowhere caused a commotion in the cafeteria, and now they're in trouble. How's that? For incident type, we're going to pick Missouri State reporting. We also have local reporting in our district. You can have as many of those as you want. For time frame, we're going to say it happened during school, during second block, and we're going to add another participant. So there's going to be 2 participants in this incident. And as I said in the description, the location is cafeteria. And then we'll click next. Okay, the next couple of pages are going to ask us about the participants in the incident. You'll see at the top of this that it can be a student or a staff member. It defaulted this role to offender, but they can be a reporter, a victim, or a witness as well. We're going to leave them as an offender. And for behavior, we're going to say a cappella battle. And if I wanted to add more than one behavior, I could mark whichever I wanted as the primary behavior, or whether something was an allegation or not. For action, we're going to choose in-school suspension. I don't know why we punish a cappella so harshly, but we do. And when there's something like ISS, we need a start and end date. And that is 3 days in a row. And you'll see there's things I'm skipping. You don't have to fill all these in, but make sure you fill in what is needed by your district. And then again, we're going to click next. Okay, on to participant 2. And in case you're wondering, the answer is yes. This will log this into every student's profile, even though I'm only on one student's profile right now. So we're going to pick our next student, test 2 student. Their role, we're going to say they were an offender as well. Maybe they were a member of From Out of Nowhere. And then again, a cappella battle. And then action will be ISS again. Duration code will be the same. And then we'll click save. So once you click save, what you'll see on your screen is the detailed view of your incident. Even when you create a quick incident, the only way to edit that is in the detailed view. So because of that, I want to give you a quick idea of what that looks like. If we scroll down to where it says Incident Builder, you'll notice these addition symbols. The one on the right is to add action codes, objects, behaviors, or attributes. The one on the left is to add participants. Once you add something, it'll show up down here, just like that behavior. So if I add an object, like a microphone, then I can add that wherever it needs to go. So it can go underneath test 1, and it can show that they use the microphone. I can also move things around down here. Let's say test 2 student is actually a victim, and I'll update that. And because they're a victim, I'll take away the ISS. The last thing I'll show you is how to write attendance from within incident management. Now, I will say there's a couple of settings that need to be configured for this to work, but once you do it, you'll see attendance related actions pop up at the bottom of your incident. And so to edit attendance here, we're going to go to the pencil, click that, and this pop out will default to the I attendance code. I've set it to where I could change it to other attendance codes. And I can either click each day's attendance code and change it, or if they're all the same, like in this case, they're all going to be ISS, I'm going to click set for all range, and you see that changed it for me. And then I'll click OK. And now that will be in the student's attendance, and no one will have to do that in the attendance overview page. I'll click submit incident when I'm finished, and then I'm done. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below, and I'll answer them as best I can. Also, make sure you subscribe to get notified about any new videos. Have a great day.